Both my like mom and dad, they've advised me just one thing, that just be yourself. But dad was very, very shocked in the beginning because it takes me a while to get angry, but if I'm angry, then it's going to be a problem for the other contestants. And I became a fan of Siddharth Shukla.
Talented singers Kumar Shanu's son Jan Kumar Shanu will soon be seen in Bigg Boss house. Let us know what would be his game plan. Appreciate you took the decision to enter Bigg Boss house. It's a big platform. How is the feeling?
I've had a lot of mixed feelings about this actually. I'm feeling excited, curious, nervous, a bit not looking forward to, but looking forward to a lot of things.
Have you decided to be part of a Bigg Boss?
Kind of scenario that we've been stuck in over this year. I just thought firstly, I've been a fan of Bigg Boss for a very long time. I've watched right from the season one, I've been watching the show. And to be invited to something that I've been a fan of for so long, that itself was a very big thing for me. So I got very excited about the same. Post that, the lockdown is happening and everything that's happening around, I thought I won't get a bigger platform than this, to showcase my talent and showcase myself to the audience. So I decided, why not?
Who has been your inspiration from previous seasons?
Actually, till last season, I never had a favorite contestant.
Okay.
I saw and I became a fan of Siddharth Shukla. Entire game Bigg Boss for me, I feel. I loved him as a viewer, as an audience, and now that I'm going to be walking along the same lines, I'm going to be a part of the same show that he won. I draw a lot of inspiration, and I've studied a lot of Siddharth's game. He pretty much stayed the same, from the start till the end of the game. So that's something that that's the kind of person that I am. I don't like changing, and I'm pretty much what I am, and I intend to stay the same from the beginning to the end of the game. Yeah. I wouldn't change.
Do you think you can survive in Bigg Boss 14 house for 3 months? Any strategies to survive there for a long time?
Because a lot of people say that strategy bana ke jana chahiye Bigg Boss mein and all, but I feel that you can't have a strategy for a game like this because it's so dynamic and changing. The environment around you, I think what Siddharth did was control himself and be himself. So I think rather than trying to control the environment, if I can absolutely master my own self and be the same that I am throughout, I think that will be good enough. And it'll include a lot of things into the game. There'll be people who don't agree with me. And there'll be a lot of conflict, but at the end of the day, I feel that being myself will be enough.
As you said, your favorite contestant was Siddharth. He was quite aggressive. How will you control your anger?
Aggression, again, I'm not someone who gets angry very easily, but so I'll try to handle the matter as much as I can by being polite and decent, and as much as I can be nice. But I know that it's a Bigg Boss house, and वहाँ पर हर चीज extreme होती है. So if the situation calls for it, then I think I'll have to face I'll have to be I'll have to respond accordingly. I might just get into fights a lot, and I might lose my temper also. If it takes me a while to get angry, but if I'm angry, then it's going to be a problem for the other contestants.
What was your father's reaction when he heard you decided to enter Bigg Boss house?
He was very, very shocked in the beginning. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, all of us were shocked because, it's Bigg Boss. It's a very big platform. But Dad was very, very shocked in the beginning because, of course, he knows me, how I am as a boy, how I am as a person. And he was like, do you think it's the ideal setting for you to, enter? And I told him, why not? Because firstly, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. You don't get a call from Bigg Boss every day. So once we got over that initial shock, he started discussing the game with me. He started telling me, asking me, are there any plans or strategies that you have or something? And then there was one advice which I got from my mom and my dad, for that matter, and that was the same thing that I told you about in the beginning. That this game demands a lot of people. It changes people. It brings out a
Yeah.
side of people that they themselves don't know exists inside of them. So whatever be the scenario, whatever be the situation, both my like mom and dad, they've advised me just one thing, that just be yourself.
Yeah.
Don't don't don a personality just to meet the situation or play the game, because that will just last you very temporarily. And at the end of the day, the personality, how much can you act, it will come out in the end. So rather than be yourself, and whatever the moment comes, be yourself and the moment will adjust. So this is one thing that they've told me.
What can viewers expect from you in the Big Boss house?
Viewers can expect a lot of music, a lot of singing, and mostly I feel all of my the way to handle all of these situations that I have will be through music, because I'm a singer. So until and unless the situation calls for it, I won't really be shouting, because since I'm a singer, I would not like to spend my voice on such scenarios.